In this video, I'll show you how to see blocked users list on Telegram. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notifications to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. This video is basically for educational purpose, so ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you in this video. Click on the three dotted icons, right? Once I've clicked on it, click on the settings. Click on the privacy and settings. From there, you can look at this blocked users, right? You can look at this. So far, just one person. I'm just doing this just for educational purpose only, right? So I'm gonna just unblock him, right? So yeah, it's pretty easy. So head over to settings, privacy and security. You'd see these blocked users. From there, you can be able to see everyone, right? Literally everyone. So if you found this video helpful, please share it at the below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I want to see you all in the next one.